Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Easter unicorn. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So right in the middle of our paper, I'm just going to make a nice little smiley face like this. It can be a little bit at an angle, but just draw a little smiley face shape. Then you just want to add a couple little lines going down for some eyelashes. Now, starting above the eye and over to the right a little bit, I'm going to draw the hair. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then back up like this. I'm going to go a little bit farther out and then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then it's just going to curve down again. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then I'm just going to kind of curl it around and I'm going to bring it up into like a smiley face like this. Now, starting right underneath here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then I'm just going to go up, and then I'm going to curve up into here for the face. Then right here, you just want to add a little curved line for the nose. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come back down for the ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing inside. Go up, down, and then just connect it. Now for the hair, or the mane. So starting here, you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out like this. And then I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then I'm just going to come down and then connect it right at a point. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to go up and back to here. And then I'm going to do this one more time, just draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up like this. Now, right up here, we want to make that nice big horn. So I'm going to start here, and you want to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come to look kind of a point, and then it's going to go down, and it's going to get a little bit wider as it goes down. And then I'm just going to add a few little curved lines onto it. Now, starting back here by the ear, I'm going to add some more hair. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that curves out, and then it's going to come right back to here. Now, starting down here, we want to make the neck. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then, since we're making an Easter unicorn, we're going to add some little Easter eggs down here. So I'm just going to draw some small oval shapes, and I want these to be a little bit pointier at the top and a little bit rounder at the bottom. So I'm just going to draw some of these kind of going all the way around here. And you want them to kind of be different sizes, some to be a little bit taller, some to be a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to add some of these all around here. Just like that. Now, on the hair, I'm going to just draw a couple little extra lines on here just so we have some more detail. So I'm just going to draw a little line going right down the middle of these two on top. And then I'm just going to draw two lines going right down here on all of these. Then I'll start here, draw a line that goes down, and then one right here. They're just going to all come to like the very end of the hair. And then this one, I'm actually going to bring this right to about here. Next, right up here, we want to make this kind of like an Easter unicorn. So there's a couple things you could do. You could put like some bunny ears up here. You could add like a big Easter egg. There's lots of things you can do. So I'm just going to add, since we already have this ear here, I'm just going to add a big Easter egg. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to kind of come down like this. And then if you want to add like a little bunny ear or two, you could draw a line that just kind of curves up and bring it down. And then curve the line back. And then just draw a line that comes back down, and then one more right here. And I'm going to draw one more line right there, just to make it look like a little bunny ear. Then you can do one more up here, just draw a line that goes up, and then kind of angle down. Curve it up, and then just draw 1, 2, and then 3 lines down for some ears. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to add some detail onto your egg. So there are lots of different things you can do. You could add like just plain little curved lines on here. You could add, little patterns in between them. You could do little zigzag lines. You could do whatever you want. So just kind of go ahead and decorate all of your little Easter eggs however you want to. Lots of different things you guys can do. You can put polka dots on here. You can mix up things with different patterns. So maybe I want to do like a zigzag pattern, then a couple little circles, a little zigzag pattern, and then a few more little circles. There's lots of different things you guys can do, and just kind of be creative and have some fun with your eggs. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.